Good morning, children. Today we will do some practice of sentence making. I have written here on board few words, and I have taken these words in different columns. Like in first column, you can see words written are why, why, where, what, and who. So these are written in first column. In second column, I have written are, is, was, and were. In third column, we have you, I, he, she, and they. In fourth column, we have doing, eating, shouting, going, and sleeping. And in last, I have put a question mark because with the help of these words, we'll be making interrogative sentences or the questions. Children, you can make 50 or more than 50 sentences with the help of these words. I have taken one example. I have taken why. And with this why, I have made 5 sentences for you. Though you can make more sentences also because I have taken why and shouting. So first sentence I have made for you is why are you shouting? तुम क्यों चिल्ला रहे हो? Why is he shouting? वह क्यों चिल्ला रहा है? Why is she shouting? वह क्यों चिल्ला रही है? Why were they shouting? वे क्यों चिल्ला रहे हैं? Why are they shouting? Sorry, the fourth one is why were they shouting? वे क्यों चिल्ला रहे थे? Fifth one is why are they shouting? वे क्यों चिल्ला रहे हैं? So children, you have seen with the help of why and shouting, only these two I have made 5 sentences. So you can combine why with doing also, you can combine why with eating also, and that is how you can make these sentences. Then you can use where, and with the sensible sentence making, you can make so many sentences. So your today's task is to make sentences, and I'll see who makes the maximum number of sentences. Now what you have to take care about is that with are you use you or they. With is you can use he or she. Same as with was or were. Were you, were they. Was he, was she. ये ध्यान रखेंगे और अब आप लोग सेंटेंस बनाइए और बहुत सारे सेंटेंसेस बनाइए. थैंक यू.